Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change from Spanish language to English language on the Spectrum TV in 2026. Now, sometimes the audio or the menu language on the Spectrum TV switches to Spanish by accident, which can happen after changing the settings or pressing the wrong button on the remote. The good news is that you can easily switch it back to the English language in just a few steps. So here is how you can do it step by step. So first of all, you need to grab your Spectrum remote. As you can see on your remote, simply press the menu button. So this menu is where you can manage the audio, the language and the system preferences. Then you can use the arrow buttons over here on your remote in order to move through the options. Now you need to scroll through the menu until you find the settings here. In the settings, you just have to basically, when you are able to find it, press OK. In the settings menu, simply look for the option of language or audio. Now inside it, simply press OK. So when you are inside, if your language is set to Spanish, simply highlight the English language option from the list and you need to simply press OK. Now this way the system will immediately switch the menus and the audio preferences back to English. Now in some cases, you may also need to change the audio language separately if a specific channel is playing the Spanish audio. So after selecting English, exit the settings menu and return to the TV channel. Your Spectrum TV menus and the audios should now appear in English instead of Spanish. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.